welcome back to Mainly Everything. Back from my little vacation, so came back to a package. So, this is the Wera 12-piece precision screwdriver set. And I hope you guys had a good couple days. I was up on a pretty big pond for the week. So that was fun. Good time to get away. Alright, so really good packaging. Wera always has really good packaging. And it comes in a nice case. Comes with extra Velcro. Everything Wera always comes with extra Velcro, seems like. Little manual. And I believe, what's this? I believe that's it. I don't know what that is. No idea. Yep, that's it. Okay. So, here it is. Comes in a nice case. Has a little sticker on it. And it already has Velcro on it, but you can put this on whatever, if you hang it on a wall or something. So, Velcro pouch, and just unravels. Look at that. That looks good. Okay, so, it is a very good looking kit. So, let's see. All of the yellow ones are flatheads. All of the blue are hex. These Torx are, or these green are Torx, and these red are Phillips. So let's take one out. Oh, sorry. There we go. It tells you the size on each one of them. Right there. Looks good. It has a spinner, obviously, like every thermostat screwdriver. It has their kind of rubberized grip on the handle, which is nice. And what I like about it, compared to like that, like in my bag I carry that Klein one with me. I just haven't really liked the Klein one that much, to be honest. These definitely spin a hell of a lot better than the Klein ones did. Just for more reference to, this is a hex one. Man, the camera doesn't want to focus. But I don't have much to say. I'll use these for a while and let you know. I just want to show you them being unboxed. That's the sign they use for Torx. Come on, camera. I don't understand the autofocus. But yeah, they look like good quality. I believe they're all magnetic, which is nice. And I kind of like that they're kind of an all-in-one kit. So if you don't want to carry them in your bag or anything, you can just throw them wherever you need them. But, again, here it is. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.